Hello, I'm C on Fedora Forums, and in IRC I'm CST. I want to show you how I release a package on my script tools. Using my script tools, I just enter ST, going to the developer section, saying I want to release, label my project. It's ST, obviously. It's working through a fixed order, asking now to release. For each task, it checks if there is a task before, task after script available, and if so, it executes them. These have to be in the scripts file of the configuration folder. I'll show you right after. I don't want to make configurations, they were done. Updating man pages is already done as well. So it actually builds now the package. Now, just like any package, you want to support multiple releases, so I have configured Koji to handle it. The files are currently configured to be placed here. This is everything is reused, so disk releasing is taken simpler. Now let's send Koji to build my packages, and I want to show you a little overview of the configuration files. Most things are set automatically, so interaction is reduced to a minimum. However, you may change each and every setting quite easy by just adding stdef prg for project. Enter the submodule like git edit, and then enter the project label. For me it's st, and you will see this too. Let me show. This is just a testing environment. St, and let it change. So stdef project git edit sourceforge. Whoa, bad example, real bad example. Not get it. What would it be? Repo edit st. Now you see it's open the editor. This is done also by configuration, but anyway, this is not what I wanted to show you. It's still building the Koji. You see here the waiting symbol. This is just a quick view for SourceForge. Currently 0.8.1 released, reloading just to make sure. Last builds haven't been working quite well. These are the possible targets. I've copied them to the configuration files. Every module requires a configuration file. This provides the basic information which will be used there, as well as configuring script tools itself. You could write here your own code if you would like, but this would make the modules I wrote for you worthless. Anyway, here's all the different configuration in plain text. This is parsed. I could place the F down here and remove them up here, so this is just placed before them as of now. Configuration, you must provide a password. It will generate a .netrc file in your home folder, so it automates access subpassing with programs. Once that is done, you may remove the password from your configuration file, but it's still stored in plain text in the home folder, just to inform you. But anyway, how's it going? It's once done, so let's see how it went. It's built successfully. Great, hallelujah. Great, so let's keep it on. Yeah, I'm gonna show you here the script tools. Configuration is default by config folder, well, subfolder config, script tools, and here are the projects. I'm going here are all the configuration files and the before and after scripts RPM. So these are here. They're quite easy and simple. Let's do the RPM for quick view. The FTP, it's unused anyway, but it's just as simple as that. I could have used here the real code like FTP or remote for the remote directory. Let's just verify it's that. It is path remote. Path remote, right? So path remote, and don't forget this one. Just verifying the doctor is there. Oh, and doesn't change there. cd doc. Now then putting the files in there from the dear doc that is set within another script. I don't recall where anyway, but it's executed. That's great. Now here, okay, we're past there, and you see here after creating the files, it did also analyzing the output files, following the links, parsing those links, getting the files. Now here downloading them to the configured output directory inside the main configuration file. This is set after, as this one is quite uncommon, not in the default configuration of Fedora. Hard-coded subfolder, but then actually this would be the label, but as it's hard-coded it doesn't matter. However, well, the label would just refer to ST as well, and this one's generated dynamically every day I release. So yeah, great. Let's go back here. I don't want to upload, but I do want to release the repo. This is also done. It just copies the files from output dir to where's the repo here, to this one. Well, this would be actually the HTTP project. Here is it project or projects? It was project. So great. Generated, now uploading this. I don't want to verify right now. It is causing sometimes an error and would interrupt the script here. Release to SourceForge, yes. Display error, it now submerges just like an FTP over there. It uses SFTP to upload the files, yes, and the code as well. Yes, I want to upload the master, which I just changed. Write a commit, yes, and on master spec file fixed, yay. Now saving it, and as you see, changes are done, and I don't need to provide any password, as it uses the SSH settings here. This is actually a file name, could be displayed like this. So this is actually the file name used for my project. As you see, I love variables, so don't mind them. Yeah, now I want to change my version number. Just as a quick view, it's currently exactly, I just released 8.2, so I'm now changing it to 0.83. Now, as you see in here, these are the files that we changed. It now displays here. It was 082 load new, and it's now 083. How nice is that? And well, just as well, this is done in the spec file in my custom, as well in the file used for the project, which actually is used to display the version number. Now back here, if I just execute it again, you see here it's now 03, and it was 82. Now great. Now what do I need to do anymore? Now for one, I would open the changelog, go back up, copy this part, prepare for right after, but now as this one's done, let's review the files. And as we see, the new files up here. Let's select the tarball. Where is it? Up as the new default. Download, select everything, select all. Oh, right. Save all. Great. Now just verify now that the repository is updated. So sudo yum clean all yum make cache and yum info script tools. Just to verify clients get the updated version. Well, while this is downloading, this one's changed. Alright, and here I wanted to repost. For the Reform users might recognize this. Yeah, this is the new one with a typo, darn it. However, it's the new release. This is how I do it. Let's just again post this, copy, changelog, this description. It's early morning here, so my typo isn't as great. As you see. That doesn't matter. I'm too tired. I just make it happen. So this is the final step for my releasing. Now let's just verify here. This should be 0.2. Great. As said, here it's 0.2 as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you would like to release your